Welcome to Top Crew Aviation. This is Captain P.K. Yadav. Today we would discuss about transmission of time. How do we do this? How any pilot checks about time with ATC or with other aircraft. We also say like time check, how to do the time check and what would be the transmission for time check, guys. And we also learn like in case we are flying from Delhi to Mumbai, and how do we decide about time and what time we should take while we are making call during examination. So I'm taking just hypothetical points, like if you go from Delhi to Mumbai, there would be Ekaba, Juliet Papa, Pratapgarh, Sierra Golf, and some other compulsory reporting points too. So how do we take time? So let's say for an example, if there is no time given in question paper, we take hypothetical time that can be anything. Just for an example, let's say we started our flight at like a 1000 from Delhi, and then we are estimating Ekaba at 1010. So at the interval of 10 minutes for each designated point, guys, we take the interval of 10 minutes and so on, guys. So we can definitely get the aerodrome from where you have departed and where you are going to arrive. So the arrival time you can calculate with the interval of 10 minutes. Alright, guys, so there are some important things which we would learn, we need to take seriously, and we need to keep it in our mind, guys. Okay, so time check would always be in UTC, not even GMT, guys. Do remember, always should be in UTC. In case if it is in IST or in other format, guys, in RT exam that would be just in IST only, not in any other format. So what you have to do, you have to change it in USC. Then you need to give a call. All right. So we will learn it with the example in future. But I'm giving you just the basic idea. Like let's say right now you're in question. The time is given 10:30 IST. So what you would do, you would convert it in UTC. And how do we do this? And the time difference between IST and UTC is 5 hours and 30 minutes, guys. So what do? We subtract whatever the value of time is given. Let's say for an example, it is 10:30, 1030. We will subtract, okay? We subtract from 1030 to like 0530. So the UTC time would be 0500. I hope you understand, guys. In case of any confusion, do let me know. I'm here to help you. And the next thing is, like, if you have GPS, then you will take GPS time, guys. Do remember. All right. And time is always in the 24 hours clock. Do remember, in India, we do not follow that. All right. In our mind, that is 12 hours. But in aviation, time is always in the 24 hours clock. So 2400 is midnight, and 0001 begins the new day, guys. Do remember. All right. When transmitting time, only the minutes of the hour are normally required, each figure being pronounced separately. Why? Like normally time is like hour, minute and seconds, but we do not consider 30 seconds. I would say I'll tell you in details how we have to deal with the seconds, but normally minutes and hour only. We consider an error of 30 seconds, guys, in time check for voice communication. And how do we deal with this seconds thing, guys? Let me explain you. For an example, if your time is 103028, means 10 hours 30 minutes and 2 are seconds. So that should be in your head, guys. But how we are going to deal if your seconds are between 1 to 29 seconds? We eliminate it. What do? We eliminate it. So in example 103028, so there are 28 seconds. So we would consider 10 hours and 30 minutes, guys. And how do we call this? 1030. Alright. So the next is if your seconds are between 31 to 59 seconds, then we do consider next minute. Example 103048, we would consider 1031, guys. So this is how we do deal with this. And in case if it is exact 30-second, guys, we would transmit as and half. Example 103030, we would call time now 1030 and half. Alright, guys. So I hope you understand this is very important thing. Like if you do not take into consideration, guys, you can score 0 in this particular question, and you get these kind of questions at very first of your exam. So it can create blunder if you do this, guys. So do remember, it is very easy but very, very important, guys. Okay. All right. So keep it in mind, guys, and happy calling. Take care. Bye for now.
Here you go, your checklist. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.